Hello there, this is my submission for the Carbon Hack 24. I built a PUE plugin and I am Johanna and from Germany. So my plugin is very simple. It applies a PUE value, a power usage efficiency, to the CPU energy that is already given in an input or in the Teets curve. And there are four input ways that I implemented. That's a default. It's you can give the PUE value in the config or global config. And if you give the cloud vendor, then the plugin uses some cloud vendor average values like 1.1 for Google. And if you also give a region, then there is a CSV file that is read, and yeah, this needs some adaptation. Okay, let's get started with the demo. This is the input file. It's the test manifest that imports simply two plugins. That's the Teets curve that we need for the CPU energy, and it's the new plugin, the method PUE from the PUE plugin. The global config here is actually never used in this presentation because I also gave some config in the inputs. Okay, so in the pipeline, we simply have the Teets curve and apply PUE. So let's look at the inputs. The first one is very simple. I didn't give any additional information that we could use in the plugin. So we'll see that the config PUE is being used. In the second example, I chose the vendor Google, and then also an example with cloud vendor and cloud region. And yeah, let's look at the output file. I already run the command here because it takes quite a while. So let's simply look at the outputs. The first one is, as I said before, it's simply the config value 1.5. In the second example, where I only gave the vendor, it is the 1.1. And then, of course, it also outputs the PUE energy, which is simply the product of CPU energy and the PUE value. Okay, and then maybe a last example that is some more interesting. That's Microsoft Azure as a vendor and South India as the region. And the average for Microsoft in Asia is 1.405, and that's the value that is applied here.